Hi everyone, this is Sandy Queen at the Heart, and I'm back with a Destash. So the rules of the Destash are pretty simple. It is US only, PayPal only, pay, quickly. I have quite a few. I've been spending this coronacation doing a lot of cleanup. So this first box is $35. And let me go ahead and get started because I do have a lot, and there's going to be multiple videos. So if you're interested in anything that you see, you need to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. And I'll be shipping your box over the next week and a half. And my PayPal is also scoop71@yahoo.com. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. This is box number 1. This is $35 shipped in a flat rate priority box. The first one is this. This is a whole pack of paper. It's, I think it's from Printworks. So this is, I don't know. So I had bought that quite a few years ago. Next is this Decor Elements Never Used from Stampin' Up. And it's got these like label, I think these are like chalkboard labels. Let's see. I've got the whole like Wild Child thing going on, but I also have this As You Wish. This is a Fancy Pants project kit, never used, and it includes 12 sheets of double-sided paper, a label sticker sheet, a gold alpha sticker sheet, craft corrugate paper, turquoise corrugate paper, and gold foil paper. So, and it includes a little sticker sheet as well. This has like little sediments, whatever, on there. So I have that, as well as some pieces that go with this kit. I have these flare, this title pieces. None of this has ever been used. It's all brand new. This, which is patterned photo frames, and these little mini tags. Let's see. Oh, also this piece, which is this ephemera pack. And I also have a lot of the Wild Child. So I have this sticker sheet. There's 2 sticker sheets, and they are, looks like they're different. So 2 different sticker sheets that go with the Wild Child by Pink Paisley, brand new, never used. I also have 2 of the ephemera that I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye to. It was really hard to say goodbye to some of this stuff, but I really do need to get rid of some stuff. I have the Wild Child 6x6 paper pad that's never been used. So I have that collection all in here. Also, I have this Down by the Shore. I don't think I've used this. If I did, it's only maybe one sheet, it looks like I might have used. Maybe 2 sheets, but still pretty intact. Very cute paper pad. Down by the Shore. I also have this stamp set, never used, from Tuesday Morning. It's a wood stamp set. That's that. I also have this stamp set, never used. So those are in great shape. And then I have this memory box die. Gentle Bunny, never been used. And I also have this one, Egg Basket Frame by Memory Box, that's never been used. I also have this stamp set, never used, and this little one right here, never used, that I'm popping in here as well. And then I also have my Scotch ATG gun that works perfectly well. I just have the pink one, and I really don't need 2. I've had it in my closet thinking that I would need 2, but I don't need 2 of them. So that's box number 1, and it is $35. $35. Box number 2 is also $35. I'm going to go ahead and get all the stuff out of this to show you. And like I said, there's going to be multiple, just multiple boxes. I have a lot of boxes and bags of stuff that I'm going to be doing. A lot of top-notch stuff, in my opinion. So this box is also $35. There's a ton of stuff in here. This one is a really, really good bargain, in my opinion. So much stuff. All right. Okay, so I have this authentic jingle, never used. I have this authentic fabulous collection kit. I have this one. Let's see here. I've got this Bo Bunny noteworthy. I don't think I've used this. I have the LOL. This is the little 2-pack Traveler's Notebooks. They're little notebooks. I have this Agenda 52 stickers. I have this LOL by Paper Studio, like Post-it notes. I have the Agenda 52 by Paper Studio Traveler's Notebook. And then I have a bunch of Avery L stamp pads that have never been used. These are pigment. This one is Ocean Mist, Fizz, Celery, Silver Fox, and Sugar Plum. That's in here. And I've got this little black dress by Basic Ray. And I have this Bo Bunny that goes with the ephemera that's in there. I thought use like maybe 1 or 2 sheets of this at the most. This is Christmas in the Village, 6x6. Also, I have these Melissa Francis sprays. I've never used them. They were originally $19.99. I had bought them at a stamping convention or whatever, and so you get 2, 4, 6 colors of that. And then I've got these archival ink refills. I have Fern Green, Cornflower Blue, and Dandelion. And then I have these You're So Fine glitters by the Rubber Cafe. I have Copper, Chocolate Truffle, Cardinal Red, Purple Hydrangea, and Lilac Purple. So this is box number 2. I gotta make sure I label my boxes or I'm gonna be super sad later. Box number 2. Now we're on to box number 3. This one over here. Box number 3. Okay, so this one is also, let's see here. This is also $35. Okay, get everything out so I can put everything back in. It saves me time. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. All right, so included, you get companions, which I've never used, authentic paper pad. You get the fabulous kit, never used. I just have like 4 of them. The rest of this Authentique Bountiful collection. You get this, which is Paper Patterns Pink Pirouette. So it's different paper patterns in this, oh, sorry about that, in this colorway. It's like a pink colorway. Sorry about the glare. I've got my my blinds open in here for some light. Otherwise, it's like super dark in here, like a cave. I've got this Shakers and Sprinkles by Paper Tray Ink. I have used some of this, but there's still lots of usable pieces in here. And I've got this by Amuse Studio. It's different colors that use this pattern. And this is another Amuse Studio paper. Let's see here. Authentique. This is also Companions in a 6x6. This is Colorful Christmas in a 6x6 by Authentique. The Bow Bunny Fa La La. I've never used any of these at all. So those are brand new. Let's see here. I have this stamp set by Close to My Heart. It's called Christmas Scripts. I have this one, which is a thank you one. And then I have this one, which I really debated keeping because it goes with one of the Cricut cartridges, but I haven't used it. This one's brand new. And so this one is called Harvest Happiness. So Harvest Happiness. Okay. So those are included. I've got this Inky Antics. It makes this box. So I've got that stamp. I've used it like twice. I have this glitter alphabet. I have this rub-on, which is a Stampin' Up! Rub-on. Let's see. I've got this stamp set, which is by Bow Bunny, called Positive Vibes. I have these shaker stickers. I have this Monthly Moments October journal card collection. I have this rub-on, which is Chit Chats. It's got all kinds of sentiments. I just really don't like rub-ons. This has never been used. I just have a duplicate of it. It's Lawn Fawn Little Inks, which I really like their inks. Chameleon Color Tops, that, and then these stickers. That's box number 3, and it is $35. And then the last box I'm going to try to get through in this video. This is box number 4. Box number 4 is $40. And I have no idea how I'm going to get this stuff back in the box. This one is mostly American Crafts products. So I think this one is a super steal, actually. So hopefully you guys will too, because it's packed. I mean, it's like super crazy packed. It's a steal for $40. Okay, so you get the Sunny Days chipboard. This is the Authentique Fabulous. A variety of like stickers from Bella Boulevard. They're mostly baby. Let's see, there's the pink one. There's this other pink one. Same pink one, actually. Sorry about that. This one and this one, they're the same, but they got these cool alphabets. And then I got this blue one. That one. Okay, so those are all included. I also have a bunch of paper. So I've got the LOL by Paper Studio. This is the 8.5 by 11. I've used a handful of sheets, if that. Carousel, Wild Heart, Flourish. 2 carousels, actually. I have to downsize. I have way too much stuff. Let's see here. I've got the Bloom, Bloom, Bow Bunny here and there. And let's see, stickers. I've got this Wild at Heart. I have this Amy Tangerine. Let's see here. I've got some just random stickers here. I just need to have go. There's that. Okay, so now I've got this Wild at Heart. I've got these leather bows. I've got this Stamp Panda stamp set, this K & Company ephemera. This is what I doesn't say what it looks like. It's hard to show you what it looks like without taking it apart. So trust me, it's cute. I have this Wild at Heart ephemera. I have these puffy inflated ephemeras. Those away. Let's see. I have this K & Company flowers. I have this Amy Tangerine ephemera. So hard to get rid of this stuff. I just wanted to hold on to it, but I'm just not using it. It's Wild at Heart. Maggie Home stamp set. Maggie Home stamp set. Good Vibes frames. Maggie Home's stamp set. That was $40. So you need to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. That box is number 4. I've got more to come. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with the Heart.